Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges for better rates or security, this step-by-step tutorial will have you covered. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular, and with exchanges like Bitmart and Gemini evolving, we'll focus on the latest best practices to keep things safe and efficient. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitmart account. If you haven't already, head to the Bitmart website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Tether, USDT, and click on it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Withdrawal button. This is usually prominent, but double-check for any updates in 2025, as interfaces might have changed. When you select Withdraw, you'll need to choose the network for Tether. Stick with the most common one, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what Gemini supports. Always verify compatibility to avoid lost funds. Now, enter your Gemini wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Gemini account to prevent any typos. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any fees. Bitmart might charge a small network fee, so factor that in. Before confirming, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if prompted. It's a must for security in 2025's crypto world. Hit the confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Gemini account and check your Tether balance to ensure everything transferred smoothly. A quick pro tip: always withdraw a small test amount first if you're unsure, and keep an eye on 2025 regulations that might affect crypto transfers. That's it for this guide. Withdrawing Tether has never been easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.